In this video today, I'll be talking about how I flipped this free dresser that I got from one of my friends and flipped it for $250 on Facebook Marketplace within just a few days of work. If you're new to the channel, subscribe for more flips just like this and check out the other dresser overhaul videos I have on the channel. So what you're looking at right here is the dresser is placed outside in the driveway and in the process of being cleaned and then sanded down with 120 grit sandpaper. Here are some of the drawers that I have out for sanding. Now I did fill all of the old holes from the handles with wood filler, as I was going to replace all of the handles with new hardware that I got from Home Depot. Here I am carrying the dresser drawers up from the basement where I had them down there originally, so then I could sand them out in the garage, because wood filler does make a little bit of mess when it is sanded down. So after I sanded down the drawers and sanded down the entire dresser itself, I ended up carrying the dresser down into the basement where it was warmer in there, because I did do this project in the winter time back in January in Michigan, so it was cold outside. So I had the dresser down in the basement, stained the top of it, and I'll display on screen what I used right here, and then I used a paint called Beyond Paint to paint the dresser with, and it turned out really nice. I really like this blue-gray. I've used it on a ton of other pieces, and it's come out pretty nice each and every time. Now here's some of the hardware that I got at Home Depot for it. So I had my dad help me measure out all the spots where to put the handles at. Here's a picture of what that looked like. And then here is the finished product. I think it turned out really nice. This was the first longer style of dresser that I've done. I have done quite a few dressers, but they were mostly high boy dressers, I think they're called. So this one turned out pretty great, and it was my biggest profit flip yet. Hopefully you liked the video, you gained some inspiration from it if you're looking to do some sort of dresser overhaul. Subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.